Hey guys, what's up? So this is new bus 41. It replaced the 1997 Blue International that I rode in elementary school. So 41 is like 34. It also has underbody storage. That's really the only thing that makes it like 34, other than the fact that it's a C2. So back here, there's the back of the bus. Again, LED warning lights, don't strobe. Thomas Built Buses emblem. Here's the other side. There's the new 44. Lebanon City Schools. 41. Again, got the fender mounted signals. There's the top. Like I said, and I think it was 34's video, no secondary warning lights on these. Go ahead and go inside real quick. Got your first aid kits. There's the inside of the bus. There's the instrument panel, switches, all that fun stuff. So we'll go ahead and walk back. The inside is pretty much the same as the other two, but I wanted to show you guys this bus since it did replace another bus that I rode in school. So yeah, there's 40. Let's see. Quick side note, this really has nothing to do with 41. 37 here came from Claremont, I can't even speak, Claremont Northeastern. So that's pretty cool. Just figured that out by looking at the shadows. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's new 41. Thanks for watching. Bye.